Welcome back to the Daily News. Today we receive a new guest. His name is Flossie, and he is the oldest cat in the whole world. Flossie was born in 1995, and she lived with another stray cat in Merced, UK. One woman felt sorry for the cat, so she took her home from her. 10 years later, the owner died, and Flossie moved in another member of the family. 14 years later, the new owner died too, and Flossie went to the cat protection, where people look after cats. These people knew how to care for all cats. Recently, Vicky from East London adopted Flossie, and she didn't even know that she was the oldest cat in the world. The cat is deaf. She can see well, and she has only 3 teeth. She still has a healthy appetite. She is friendly and she likes to learn new things. Now, would you like to have the oldest cat in the world in your care? This was Daily News. My name is Susan Rodriguez and we'll see you tomorrow.